What up everyone, welcome back to iTrustStream. I hope you're having a fantastic week. Sorry I haven't been posting as frequently. Got a new little one and I've just been kind of just trying to survive. So anyways guys, I wanted to do this video as of yesterday, but I did end up getting busy. So first thing today, I wanted to record this video and get this out because, man, I can't wait until sports come back. The Buzz TV Stick ST-4000, aka the Vidstick, has officially arrived on their website. So if you guys are interested in getting yourself the Buzz TV Stick, well, now it's going to be called the Buzz Vidstick. First of all, Vidstick that's a dope name. That is a dope name. But what I wanted to let you guys know that on their website is officially available. Shipping starts as of yesterday. So I'm telling you, I do apologize for not getting this to you as of yesterday. As soon as I got this, I did ask the owner about when we're going to be receiving it here. It's already in the mail. So any day now, the next video when it comes to the Buzz TV Stick will be a giveaway video, so stay tuned for that one. And also I'm going to be doing a full unboxing of the stick. I didn't want you guys to rely on YouTubers to receive it for you guys to make a decision on buying this thing. You don't want these things to sell out, so it does say it is limited quantities available. So if you guys do want to end up getting one of these bad boys, make sure to go over to the website. There's a link inside of the description below for you to go ahead and buy it. A very quick comparison versus the Vidstick versus the Fire TV Stick 4K. Now, the first thing that is right here is the operating system. The operating system is very, very important. I'll tell you why in a second. Operating system on the Vidstick is as of Android 9. That is really good. Android 9, that means that actually gave a crap on wanting to give you an updated version of Android. Remember that the Fire TV Stick 4K does have Android on the back end. Now they have a version of 6.0, but that might be due to their launcher. Remember, Fire Stick does take APKs, which means it does have Android writing on the Fire Stick. They just don't have Android TV on it. That is called Fire OS. So maybe eventually they'll be able to update and get to a newer version, but honestly, a lot of these applications that you do use at home, a lot of third-party applications don't need anything past really 5.5, depending on certain players and drivers. Anyways, the next thing we're gonna be talking about is the RAM. RAM at 2 gigabytes. We just saw a stick, or is it a stick? Is it a dongle? The TiVo Stream 4K does have 2 gigs of memory. Is this important? Yes, it is. Fire Stick only having 1.5. Now, more memory, more RAM equals more tasks that you can do in the background. When you're flipping through different applications, when it loads, when the force closes, when it opens up, if you have more memory, just like your computer, you can do more multitasking in the background. So, does it have a slight edge? Yes, it does. Storage memory at 16 gigabytes. Now, the Fire TV Stick 4K only having 8 gigabytes. We already know that you can only use about 5 gigs of actually usable space when it comes to the Fire Stick. Now, can you expand that? You can't. You can get these little devices to where you can get yourself a USB stick, and what it does is it splits it. So you plug this guy in, and what it does is the other side will go to a power. You can technically do that, but these are all little things that you're having to do. Why do this? While you can have a Vidstick, you can get one of these bad boys. You can do micro or the big one. So you can plug one of these guys, and this is a 64 right here. You can get 128. You can get as much as you want, what you're willing to spend on. You just plug this sucker right in. With the Fire TV, you can't really do that. So one doesn't have the IR sensor cable, and that is the Fire Stick. Is it really important? It's dependent on your remote. The Buzz TV 4 app, very important. I'm gonna put it right here. The Buzz TV 4 app is fantastic for IPTV. If you are an active IPTV user, you have a subscription to IPTV, you can just type in your username, your passcode, and the portal link that it was provided by your provider, and you can use their fantastic layout. I've done plenty of videos on their Buzz TV application. It is known worldwide as being one of the best emulator. They give you that cable-like feeling at home. It does have built-in recording options, so if you want to record it, having the Vidstick might be beneficial for you when it comes to recording or DVRing your actually IPTV stuff. So take that in consideration, having one of these bad boys, plugging that sucker in and recording all of your favorite shows and actually scheduling it. So that's something that the Fire Stick doesn't really have as an option unless you download another application. Buzz TV is known to have fantastic packaging. If you guys are resellers for any other company when it comes to devices, when you give this to your client, it's going to be a nice experience for your customer. Now it does have 4K HDR. Here's another quick little look of what the layout for Buzz TV, the Buzz TV layout looks like. Again, shipping starts as of May 26th, so don't miss out. You guys definitely want to go over to the website, which we're going to do right now. You guys can go right here. It is $70, marked down from $100. You guys can add to cart right here. Link is inside the description below. So just also really fast key features: 2 gigabytes, DDR4 RAM, 16 internal memory, a gigabyte LAN with internal adapter. This is sold separately, by the way, guys. HDMI 2.0, AC, Wi-Fi, Android OS 9.0, M-Logic S905 Y2. What does that mean? It means 60 frames a second. That's what that means. Fire Stick 4K could only do 30. Bluetooth remote. So the remote will be Bluetooth. OTA updates for Android and Buzz TV 4. So that means it will download automatically when there's new versions that come out. It will get flashed on its own. Includes Energizer premium batteries. When you open up the thing, it's not some branded cheap China batteries. They are Energizer premium batteries. And over at CES, when I did get to meet the owners of Buzz, they were sharing on how they go above and beyond when it comes to little things like just even batteries. They buy premium batteries, so when your first experience of using the remote, just little things like that, they take in consideration. So let me know if you've made it this far in the video. Let me know in the comment section below. Should I do a live giveaway? Live. I'm talking at night, middle of the night, live, talking about it, or should I do a pre-recorded one where I'm gonna show it to you, you guys comment, I give it to you. That's how I normally do it. If you guys made it this far in the video, let me know in the comment section below if I should do a live giveaway. Let me know. This is iTrustStream. I'll see you guys soon. I have other TiVo videos are coming out. I have so much other things I have planned for, even for the studio. I have a new audio stuff. I've got freaking things for our live. I've got a bunch of new stuff. I have brand new custom panels, sound panels that are gonna be coming into the office. There's a lot going on. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of this week. I'll talk to you guys soon. This is iTrustStream, and until the next video, I'll talk to you guys later.